Hi guys, today I will show apartment where we stay with my friends in Pattaya. This is Sky Beach condominium, and I stay only 1 week here, and tomorrow I will go to Philippines, and I will show now. This is apartment. How many? Oh, wind. How many rooms here? This is 3 bedroom. This is bedroom for Nicholas. Every bedroom have a balcony. A separate balcony. This is another bedroom. This is kitchen and living room. This is another bedroom. This also bedroom. Every bedroom with balcony. Balcony have and CR also have. So this is big apartment. Kitchen have refrigerator, microwave, rice cooker also have. Every room have TV, Wi-Fi, it's unlimited internet, Wi-Fi. This is biggest balcony. You can see this is swimming pool. This is swimming pool. Our condominium is swimming pool. This is another swimming pool. Maybe same. 2 different swimming pool. This is Pattaya beach. You can see Pattaya. It's Pattaya. Also, this is beach road. Before I walk 5 kilometers, it's in beach road. This is beach road. Go to the walking street. This is island, Kalan Island.
So sunny now.
Yeah, and windy here always. But you stay every year here. Every year you stay together with friends.
Yes. For a long so big park.
But I stay in sofa. I don't have for special guest. Yeah. No, it's okay for me also. Because I stay not long.
Here.
What is this? Put money inside. Put money. Okay, Nicholas, you take key and we go outside. You show me shops nearby. You take key and close gate. Close. Wind here. Here not need aircon because wind always. You never use aircon in this room. Not hot. Even outside hot, here is okay, not hot.
Number one.
So video always here.
This is the right side. This is public shower and toilet.
Right
For
side.
free, like
what is this? It's condominium office. But now Sunday they open right now. 24 hours. 24 hours. Have Thai language, English, Chinese and Russian language. And this way to parking. You can park car also. Outside also parking available. You will take bicycle. Nicholas not easy for him to walk because have problem with leg. That's why he use bicycle. Where you park bicycle? You can slowly because I will walk. Can you slowly drive? Right. Okay.
Why not?
So you always to use bicycle in everywhere in Pattaya,
Yeah.
but you're not afraid ride in the road, in the public road, side of the road. You're not afraid? Dangerous.
Looking more across. It's okay if not too big the speed, slowly. But I use this 6 years already. I buy before.
6 years